as you can see, we have been able to normalize her situation at this moment. Yes. But according to the ethics of this establishment, we cannot be able to carry out further treatment on her without you making a deposit of 105,000 naira. That will be able to mobilize us to get the further equipment that we will need to get her to her normal condition.
It's fine, okay? I'll just go and make the payment now at the pay point, please. That wouldn't be a problem. Please, you can start the treatment.
It's alright. But once you're back, meet my cashier and she'll get back to me. I will fall back to work.
Okay, alright.
Thank you.
Nkechi, I'm going to make the payment. Stay here. Don't leave, Mama, okay? Come on.
Babe, how are you? Hey, who don't miss you? Waiting can't keep you since now. I don't wait for you since morning.
I'm sorry. I had to help my mother out in the shop. You know, there were a lot of customers and I couldn't leave her to attend to them.
Yeah. Don't worry, who do well. Who do well. You see, that is why it is good to have a good daughter like you. Yeah. We'll go inside now.
No. I brought this food for you. I have to run back to the shop before she notices I'm not around.
Hey! Who bring food for me?
Your favorite.
Hi! Who bless you? That is for morning and afternoon.
Yeah.
Hey! You see why I say you are the best. Yeah? Thank you so much. Eh?
Keep the flask. I'll come and take it in the evening.
Hey, but for go inside, go do small.
When I come back in the evening to take the flask, we'll go inside.
Will you go in the evening?
Okay. We'll go inside.
We'll go inside?
Yes, we'll go inside. I have to go.
Hey. They sweet me.
I love you. Bye.
Nami.
Bye.
Nami, who love you. Who pass. Nami, love you.
Sister, I thought you have a place to be for the royal bride conquest.
That's true. I don't know. Mama, I don't know what to do.
You can go. And maybe you can still meet up with the entry. Since you've made the payment already, the doctor will start the treatment on her. Don't worry, I'll look after her.
Are you sure?
Auntie, don't trust me again. I'm a big girl.
Okay, please just take care of Mama, okay? I'll come around and see the both of you. And please, if you need anything, do not hesitate to tell me.
Okay. Bye-bye. Be safe, okay?
Okay, you too. Take care.
Okay, bye-bye.
I hope you girls are getting comfortable with the environment.
Yes.
Thank you so much, handsome. It will be an honor to finally prepare the saga about his handsomeness. Hope you justify how handsome the face should be. He's younger person, such a fine, handsome man. You know, what's the most sufficient enough to make how handsome the face should be?
Well, I'm excited and I look forward to getting to know you guys more.
My name is Lillian. Please, do you know what the prince's favorite game is? Because I love games.
We shall find out. In the meantime, I have something to do. Just make yourself comfortable, and if you need anything, just don't hesitate to reach out, okay?
Thank you so much.
What was that? Why were you so straightforward? Are you so desperate to win?
What do you expect from a desperate soul? Desperation is something that is common with them. Hey, hold it there, Juliet. We are all players here. So we play to win. Moreover, I owe none of you any explanation on how I choose to play my games.
My dear, if you want to play, play by the rules of the game. Because as you see, the prince is my 100 million naira, just as big brother than Jack.
Rules are for babies. I play to win and not to impress anybody. Excuse me. There she's right. No one is your friend here. We all are bound in the game of chess. Let the game begin.
Okay. Let's see how it goes.
You're not narrating. This one, Tolo.
Good afternoon.
Hey, don't mention.
Please, is this...
Don't worry. You follow for who people? Where? I gotta wait for.
Yes, yes.
Don't worry. Don't reach. Don't reach.
Okay.
Now, yeah. Make a carry go inside.
Okay, thank you. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Thank you.
It's fine.
Yes.
Who follow me?
Okay.
Who let us go?
Onyema, it's okay. I will take it from here. I will take it from here. Go back to your post.
Okay.
Left now. Let me.
No. It's fine. I'll carry my stuff.
Please, I'm here to serve you. Allow me to do my job.
Ma, I know you want to do your job, but please, I can carry my stuff.
Don't do this to me. I don't want to lose my job. Please, allow me to carry it.
Ma, no one says you're losing your job. Don't worry, when I go in, I'll tell him I was the one that insisted, okay? Please, let me carry it.
Stop calling me Ma. My name is Eunice. Let me...
Ma, no, it's fine. It's fine. That might be your name, but I'll keep calling you Ma. Because you're old enough to be my mother. And you are my mother. So, it's fine. I'll carry my stuff. Thank you.
Lillian, that girl looks like a rumble rouser.
Seems you're quick in knowing what people look like, but you don't really know much about yourself.
Excuse me? Are you trying to say that I don't know myself?
Please spare me with that look. Am I not saying the truth?
Hello, Nkechi. Yeah, please, can you give the phone to Mama? Yeah.
can't you take this thing outside? I don't like the smell.
Nkechi, please let me call you back, okay? If you don't like the smell, then you wait outside till it subsides.
Smoking like a man.
Hi.
Hi. Who are you?
My name is Chioma Ugwoji Ojukwu. I am one of the contestants. I'm from Imo State.
You're one of the contestants.
Yes, I'm so sorry for coming in by this time. I had some stuff that delayed me. I'm really sorry.
All right, someone would come put you through.
Thank you.
Who will be the lucky winner? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky winner? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one?
No, I don't like it when you keep your face like this. What do you expect me to do?
Why I no go vex? Tell me. All the things who promised me since how many months up till now, no they do anyone.
I know what I said and what I promised you. But remember I told you that it can only be when my mom travels now. I can't sleep over at your place when she's around. And you know I need to wake up by 4 a.m. to cook what we'll sell.
Yes, no, I know that one. But you see why I'm angry? As I did now, baby, Unesa, I like you. I can't love you. You know you give me this one. I know they happy now. I know they have you as I suppose. You know that kind of thing now. Na man I be you. Sometimes if I dey sleep for night, I go dey see something wey come strong for here now. At least we suppose dey play like Man U and Arsenal for bed. All those things will come dey vex me. Abeg now make okay ngwa make we go inside make we do small. I no go take your time abeg.
You promise you won't take time.
Hey, who take your time? Hey, I dey craze. If I put her, who go remove am? Baby.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning, Mama. Good morning.
This is Wakegi. She's going to be your instructor. Yes. She will teach you the ways of royalty. I mean everything about royalty. How to talk, how to work, how to eat, everything. Listen and learn if you want to win this contest. And if you need anything, I mean anything at all, feel free to come to me.
Hello, ladies, once again.
I hope and I believe we are ready to have a smooth journey together in these few months that we have. But remember, if you want to be a great queen to the great royal family, there are rules you need to adhere to. Yes, there are rules you need to follow very strictly. Never to worry, I'm here to list out the rules. Number 1, standing. Number 2, sitting. Number 3, use your words constructively. Avoid slangs and profanities. Words like, I know some of you say, I want to go to toilet. No. Say lavatory. Yes. Instead of saying pardon, you say what? And instead of serviette, you say napkin. Number 4, let's talk about eating. Morning meals in royal homes start by 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. And lunchtime is 12 p.m. Dinner, evening meal is 6 p.m. Don't worry, as time goes on, we'll learn more and more. But let's go back to our first lesson for the day. Number 1, standing. You must have a proper standing posture. Yes. If you desire to be a queen in a royal great family, you must have a perfect posture etiquette. Yes. Now, everybody, stand.
King desire for a bride to hold. King desires for a bride to hold. Mwawerezi wawa awanya busoma. He desires for a good queen in our kingdom. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen?
What's the noise for?
Just look at the way this idiot is seated. She's not supposed to sit like this.
No. You don't say that here. Have you forgotten number 3 rules? Avoid slangs and profanity of words. Anyway, as time goes on, I know it's difficult for you guys to learn fast, but you will learn.
The lucky queen, the lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky.
Here,
Who will
ladies,
be the lucky queen?
you don't eat like you do in your homes. You must eat like a woman. Let me show you how to eat in a royal home. Your knife on the right hand, your fork on the left. Now, watch me. Can you see me? Now, begin.
Excuse me, Wakego. Are there no spoons? Because I can't use this fork and knife.
Yes. Just look at others and do the same.
I'm not used to this. Besides, this food is too small.
Hey, can both of you stop? You're distracting me.
Yeah, Lillian, or whatever they call you. If you make such statement again, I'll throw you out of this room. People are busy enjoying yourself when you know that I don't know how to use fork and knife.
Look, this is so unfair. I mean, this is not fair. Eh? Our portion of food was even very small. It was quite little. And as it stands like this, we might not eat again today, and probably tomorrow as well. Look, I can't take this. I'm going to look forward to it. I really cannot sleep tonight without food.
Now, both of you listen. If you know you're going to find it difficult to cope in this competition, why don't you quit? At least to reduce the number for us. We're already too much.
Huh? Choma, I will kill this girl.
No. Come and kill me. Kill him in Wachuku.
Hey, it's fine. Please. Amanda, ignore this rascal, please. Are you going with me?
I don't think I will go with you. You can go. I don't want to upset the queen. And I heard that she's a difficult woman. I don't want that trouble this night.
But if you're scared and you're not scared, okay? I'm going out there to get something to eat because I'm hungry and I want to eat.
If you go, in case if you go, if you see food, I will join you.
Look, we came here this morning and we ate nothing.
I don't know how to use this cutlery.
Okay, then it's fine. I'll go get something to eat.
You're going?
I'm going.
If you go, you should succeed.
You're not serious.
I will follow you, Choco.
Look at you. Okay, you can't use fork and knife, ordinary fork and knife. You can't use to eat. You can't do anything. You can't do anything. Forget it. Have a go.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening. Are you looking for something?
Yes, ma. Ma, please, I was wondering if you could help me out with some food. I'm really hungry. I can't lie to you, I'm not used to eating by 6 p.m. I'm not used to having my dinner by 6 p.m. and the food was quite little. Please, ma, if you can help me with food, I'll really appreciate it.
It's alright, I understand your situation. I faced the same challenge when I came new, so I understand.
Thank you, ma, thank you. Ma, I'm so hungry. I don't think I can survive this night. I'm starving. Please, ma.
It's alright. I'll get you something to eat.
Thank you, ma. Thank you so much, ma. Hey, what is it? Why do you ask? You want me to tell you so you can go and spoil things for me? Never. Look, go and wash your hand, let's eat.
It's even gari and soup. So these people have such food here and they serve us that.
Go and wash your hand, please, let's eat.
Hungry, old, uneducated fools.
Did she just say something?
Did she say anything?
I think I heard something.
Oh, no. She wouldn't have the audacity to insult me because if she did, she'll obviously repeat herself for me to hear. So, nothing.
I think you're right. Because if she actually said something, she could have repeated it.
Like, okay, please, can you wash your hand? Let's eat. I'm waiting for you. Do you want me to start?
Please, I'm coming.
Oh my God. Hurry, please.
I'm coming!
Fine girl. Why they look at me like that now? Eh? I know they like person they look me that kind of eye.
Speak. You asked to see me.
Now what if you ask me now? Could ask me the question? We see for this house now. I don't look finish. Because he say now you be the only pincher who did this among all these contestants. For where they did, you can't be like fowl among cow and elephants. My man they tell me say they could oppress you. You understand? So I won't help you make you win this contest, make you be good queen. But on one condition.
Okay. What do you want?
You see, you see. As I tell you, say, na me be the CSO for the palace, for everywhere. When I mean know the secret of everybody when they this house, even the prince. I don't serve in papa before on the bonam. He dey hear me. So if there's anybody that knows his secret, na me. Now I make I won't tell you the secret where you go use who win the contest.
Okay.
But you no go hard though. You go do something for me. You just would understand what I talk. You follow me. You go my room. Me and you.
Oyema or whatever your name is called. Read my lips. If you ever call me out for this again, I report to His Majesty when he's around. Just look at you. What gave you the impression that I... What gave you the impression that I was stood so low to have anything to do with you? An ordinary gate man.
Who come here, ordinary gate man? Who they miss your luck? Who look me finish you? Who they call me ordinary gate man?
Don't you think I'm joking? I am not joking here. Stupid man.
I like you.
You're very stupid. Rubbish.
We see person who I want who help him, who help her life. It is say we find reach my girlfriend. They there make other girls match you. It is say it get sense. Now because of this thing wey Vera they do me now make me want misbehave.
Someone in the mask. Someone in the mask. Oh, you have been trapped in the cage.
My husband will get angry if he sees you doing my job. Please, you are his visitor.
Mama, I already told you not to worry about it. I'll just tell him that I was the one that wanted to do it. And besides, you can't be the only one doing everything in this house. There are many other things to do. I can do this while you do the rest.
Thank you, my lady.
You're welcome. But Mama, please, don't call me that. My name is Chioma. If you don't feel comfortable calling me your daughter, then you can just call me by my name.
Thank you, Chama.
Thank you. You're welcome, Mama.
Just delay. Oh. So no easily.
I heard you are the chief security guard in this palace.
A point of correction. No, not just guard. I no be guard. Una me be the CSO. CSO. Udi chief security officer. Would they hear them? Maka next time.
This is not how to talk to your future queen of this palace.
You see this one? Who make you queen? Wait. You just come this house now, your mind come there who tell you say you go be the queen. Eh? So with all the fine where our prince fine. Your mind they tell you say now you go choose.
You better not insult me.
That's wicked. If I saw you, what you go do? Eh? What you go do? Do you know what it takes to crown me the chief security officer of this place? You know what I don't do? How many fight the war I don't fight? War. Everything before His Royal Majesty won. We can organize the whole village. They can't give me a chief security officer. Would you say easy? You see, let me tell you. You see this house where you did. Respect. Any day, you talk to me anyhow again. I go. Jesus! My eyes! My eyes! Oh! My eyes! Oh! One I don't blind and the other one remain. Hey! No. I don't. Oga body! Oga body! Wait a minute.
Just for the trouble. I'm sorry for slapping you. It's just that you talk carelessly. I'm sorry.
Over the trouble? Yes. Over the slap?
Yes.
5,000 for the slap? 5,000? Fine girl. I beg. If it slap me this side again, eh? Slap this guy this side. Give me another 5,000. I beg. God bless you. I beg. Slap here now.
I won't slap you again. Yeah. You know what? You can be earning small money if you agree to do what I want you to do for me. I need you to help me so I can be able to survive in this palace.
You gonna give me money?
Sure.
Will not be slap again?
No, slap.
Hey, talk am now.
I don't tell you sorry for the one where I slap.
Hey, no problem. You feel ask more money for the one where I slap. But you tell me what the thing be. I go do am.
Go do am, abi.
I say I go do am.
Okay. Don't worry.
Yeah, who is there? Come in, the door is open. Andy, what are you doing here?
What kind of question be that? Who concern you? Who CCSOD like me? Would they ask me that kind of question?
Did you get it?
You see something? Who I carry for hand? Who see they ask me question? I better tell this thing. Who give me my money?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wait. I don't trust you. as a squeeze, make a check. Thank you. It's nice doing business with us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nadi, thank you.
Really? Hey, wait. So you have started smuggling food inside this room, eh? Oh, no problem. I must surely tell on you.
Why can't you mind your business? Or do you prefer me calling you a snitch? Or do you want me to slap that your pretty little face?
Hey, don't you dare threaten me. Hold it there. Eh? Do you think I'm afraid of you or what? Don't worry. I will tell on you before you put me into trouble in this room with your gomandizing attitude.
You're looking for my trouble, Lillian. Lillian, mind your business.
Amanda, I must tell on you, foodie. Don't worry. You.
Lillian, mind your business.
Amanda, you cannot do anything.
Lillian,
if you try
mind your business.
I will deal with you. Me and you. I will finish you.
Don't
worry if he hear me. You can't do anything. Don't worry.
Hello, ladies.
Hi, ma'am.
I believe and I hope you guys are keeping up with our daily lessons. Am I making you ladies happy?
Yes.
Are you enjoying the classes?
Yes.
Yes. One of the lessons I would like to show you today is how to carry your two sexy legs. You know, how to carry your leg as a royalty. Okay, I want you guys to have your eyes on me. Are your eyes on me?
Yes.
Perfect. So I would like to show you some of my tips in working. Alright, let me show you. Are you with me?
Wow.
Okay, so I would like to call on Sophia to show us some of the things she has been learning.
Oh.
Okay, I would like to call on another sexy lady. Can you straighten me? Yes. I would like to call on another beautiful lady. Hey, baby, can you come up?
Okay. There we go.
Alright, I can see you ladies are learning. This is good. This is true. Oh no. Listen, can you just stand properly? I know you've not been keeping up, and I hope you keep up this time. Okay? Alright, ladies. As time goes on, we move to our next class. And I hope that I'm making you ladies happy.
So what are you curious about?
For days now, the only thing they teach us is royal etiquette. No one has ever said anything about the man we're going to spend the rest of our life with. What he likes, what he dislikes, what turns him on and what turns him off. These are many more. Please, I would like to know if I or any of the maidens are going to make a good wife for the king.
You sound like a smart person.
Yeah. Since Wakego is not ready to do her job, may I implore for your assistance?
Well, I'll give you an answer to that, but for now I'm very busy.
All right.
Okay.
How are you feeling now, Mama?
What's better, my daughter?
Oh, God.
Thank you so much for your quick response in saving my life.
Mama, it's fine, okay? All you just have to do is to get better, that's all.
I'm fine. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please eat.
So, sister, how is the contest going so far?
That contest is filled with rules and regulations. Like, can you imagine? We eat dinner by 6 p.m. As if that wasn't enough. The food they give us is so little, like it's really tiny. And that's the meal you carry till 8 a.m. the next day.
What sort of punishment is that one now?
No.
My dear, you know we are used to eating after 6 p.m. And that is why it's affecting you. We are used to it.
But Mama, I heard that is not good though.
That's
Eating that late, I heard it's not good.
That's what I had to.
I'll try and adapt. It's just for the meantime. Mama, please eat. Nkechi, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Taking care of Mama.
I can see that.
Someone in the mask. Someone in the mask.
Where do you think you're coming from that you have to miss this afternoon class?
Sorry, Ma. In as much as I respect you, you have no right to ask me such questions. This is Makigo.
Oh, I see. You must be a stubborn student. But I know how to deal with stubborn souls like yours.
Excuse me, Ma.
Wow. Wow. What can you feeling?
You have been trapped in the kiss. Yeah.
Am I the one you're laughing at?
How dare you? Is something wrong with you? Eh? Seems like you don't know who I am.
Did you just hit me?
And I will do that. I will do that.
It's okay. Taba, it's okay.
How dare you? How dare you embarrass the royal family? What do you think this is? Huh? A place where you can do whatever you like?
I'm sorry, sir. It was Stella here that was telling me how they used to smuggle in food to their rooms every night.
Oh, are you trying to say they've been stealing from the kitchen?
It's just a plate of food, sir. And it's Onyema here that used to bring it for them.
I didn't steal anything. I only gave Onyema money to get me food outside because I'm not used to eating dinner by 6 p.m. Believe me, I did not steal anything.
Oh, I see. You have been busy. Is that true?
Oga, no be true. The truth be say, they know they steal. They know they enter kitchen. We go carry food. Una money they give me, make I go buy food. Oga, na be the truth. Oga, you see these girls, eh? Who they like food pass me, oh? Eh? Oga, no verse, abeg.
All right, everybody leave.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Who get up?
Including you.
No problem.
Someone in the mask.
Who they go now?
Someone in the mask.
What is going on here? Eh? What is going on here? Do you want to bring down this house? What audacity? How dare you, a common house help, off the music I'm enjoying? Are you tired of living?
What do you expect from her? What do you expect from a barren woman like her? Envy will not allow her to see things the way we do.
Ha! No wonder they named her Eunice.
Hey, stop! Enough! Can you both just stop it? You have no right to mock and insult her. Look, I know what she did was wrong, okay? She was wrong, but you guys have no right to mock and insult her. She's old enough to be our mother.
God forbid! This old witch can never be my mother.
Don't you ever tell me what to do again. We are here for this. And you play game to win while I play mine. But you telling me what to do is one thing I will never take from you. I will never take it from you. From a slut like you, I will never take it.
I'll let this slide. But don't you ever try this next time.
And if I do, what will you do? Slut! And I will say it over and over again. Really? Wait. You want to tell me? Oh my God.
I can see
it. Can you imagine?
To stay forever.
Seriously?
She's a queen.
I'm just taking all this.
She's a queen.
I don't want to be violent.
In Becky. She's a queen. No doubt at all. She's a queen.
Chioma, thank you for defending me. But the sound of the music was so loud. My Oga wouldn't have been happy if you have come back to say this.
No, you're right. You're absolutely right. But next time, instead of just turning off the music the way that you did, you could have just asked them to reduce it. Or better still, ask them to just turn it off.
But you are one of them. Why did you join them?
I joined them because I love dancing. That's why. Do you mind if I smoke?
No. We don't smoke here.
Oh.
Besides, cigarette is not good for your health.
Okay, fine. I'll stop smoking. Because you said so. Fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you going anywhere?
A call from village. Mama go call. Nkechi nwanne m go call too. Every time I'm money. They think say na for any NPC I dey work. Una this side where they like this now I dey work oh. Yeah. Anyway, make I load this card first. Make I call them. If na money, what happen? Why they shout my name from inside? All the neighbors when they this area go sabi my name. Which day you call this and say you don't already know my name? They shout am. Eh?
Onyema, why are you so imprudent? Do I need to warn you to stop gambling? Or don't you know that this gambling thing has made you so in of hair, but yet you don't want to cram from it?
Madam, no vessel. When you go school, for all the places where you go school, and all the book where you don't read, verse, no verse. You see me for your class? Wait, I follow you go school. Why be say you no fit talk to me in a gentleman language? The way I will understand.
How would you phantom what I'm emphasizing when all you ruminate is gambling? Tell me, Onyema, when was the last time you read a book? But don't you know that when you stop learning, you start dying? What did you say?
Madam, I don't know. Wetin I talk be say, you tell me what you want tell me now. Abi, if you don't want to talk, we'll go inside.
Hey, take this money. Take this money.
Let me face my family problem.
Take this money, go buy me a pack of decanter of Aquatic.
Oh, which one be Kanta and Aqua again? Wetin bring Aqua on this matter? Abi, you no get Aqua inside.
Onyema, take this money, go buy me a pack of bottled water.
Una, this one dey vex me. So, na because of bottled water. Now they give me all this grammar. Fly go, you will come back.
Take,
why not?
Take, please.
You see, I tell you. You not look because I did this gate too. Next time, if you want to talk to me, you talk to me with respect. Now because of Oga make me they go this one no. Next time, if you do like this, I no go.
Please hurry.
I beg you to talk to the name of the bottled water.
Any kind of bottled water.
Any kind of bottled water.
Yes.
Make I talk for my brain so I no go forget. Any kind of ububo.
Can I help you? You came to see me for what?
You're so handsome.
So what do you want?
I want to have you.
You want to have me?
Yeah.
Have me as how?
I want to have a taste of you. So you can help me pass.
You want to have a taste of me so I can help you pass?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to marry my brother?
Yes.
Oh, I see. So what makes you think you can marry my brother?
Because I'm cold.
You're good where? Okay, you are good in bed.
And I'm also a great cook.
You're also a great cook. I see. Okay, unfortunately, we can't, or you can't have a taste of me now.
Why?
Because you have to come back by 11 p.m.
Oh.
And when you come, I'm going to give you a code name. Your code name is Guardian of Hope. So when you come by 11 p.m., you say Guardian of Hope. And I'll open the door for you.
Well, now would be great.
Now would be great. Yeah. Okay, you want it now? You can go.
Alright, I'll come back later.
By 11 p.m.
Sure, 11 I'll be here. Or even before 11, 10:30. See you
Who will be the chosen one? Who will be the lucky winner? Who will be the chosen one?
But I promise you I am going to do it again. Should she or any other person insult Eunice like that? Look, I know Eunice is our house help and our cook, but she is old enough to be our mother, and we should accord her that respect.
So you did all of that because of Eunice?
Yes, I did. I mean, I was the one talking to her. I had the issues with her, but yet she turned to Eunice and called her a pig. That was when I lost it.
Put away the cigarette.
Sorry?
Turn it off and put it away. Let me have the entire box.
Sorry?
The entire box of the cigarette. Let me have it.